I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Check Windows 11 build and install the newest GPU and chipset drivers from Gigabyte. Once done, download the latest Gigabyte BIOS package and unpack it to a USB stick. Make sure you note the current BIOS version so you can revert if needed. Next, disable Secure Boot in UEFI. This clears a common software block that triggers Van9003. Take screenshots of UEFI pages so you can restore settings later. Now prepare to flash safely. You flash the BIOS using QFlash or the Gigabyte EZ Update utility while on AC power. This resolves firmware-level compatibility that causes Van9003. Once the BIOS update completes and reboots, install the chipset drivers, then run a clean GPU driver install. Use the in safe mode if remnants persist. After drivers settle, re-enable XMP or dock only if the system is stable. This prevents voltage or timing issues that can mimic the error. Make sure Windows updates finish and restart. You now run the Valorant repair tool from the Riot client and test 3 short matches to confirm the Van9003 error is gone. If problems persist, inspect virtualization and vPro settings in UEFI and consider rolling back to the previous BIOS you noted earlier. Firmware regressions sometimes help. If it still fails, gather logs, enable Driver Verifier to catch faulty drivers, and only then contact Gigabyte or Riot with your logs. One tip, try a different RAM slot or single stick to rule out memory faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.